This video is going to show how to configure tables in CIP to customize views and enable designers to make informed part decisions up front. When selecting components for a PCB design, designers must have concise, accurate, and comprehensive data available to review. In the Component Information Portal, CIP, you can easily configure tables to customize views, filter out irrelevant information, prioritize critical information, and more. In OrCAD-X, select CIP, open CIP from the menu. To preview the database before it's changed, expand and select Search CIS Database from the CIP sidebar menu. A blank search opens. Select Manufacturer Part Number from the parametric field dropdown. Select Contains for the operator. Enter the part number for the parameter and click Search to run the search. A list of parts opens at the bottom of the panel. Select one of the part numbers to view the part properties. View the table of properties. By default, all properties for a specific part type or view are shown, even if they are not defined for or applicable to that particular part. To make the table easier to read, let's remove the unused rows from the component view. Additionally, company standards and conventions may use different field names. These can be changed as well. In the CIP sidebar menu, expand and select Admin, Configuration, Customizable Fields. The Customizable Fields table opens, showing all customizable fields for the selected view. To change the table for a different type of component, select it from the Views dropdown. For this example, we will select ICs. To edit a field, select the pencil icon. Unused fields can be hidden by disabling them in this view. Select the pencil icon for signal-to-noise ratio. Uncheck the option for Enable to remove the field from the table. Click the checkmark to save the changes. Let's turn off a few more fields. Select the Edit button for number of gates. Uncheck Enable and click the checkmark. Select the Edit button for number of I/O, uncheck Enable and click the checkmark. Select the Edit button for access time, uncheck Enable and click the checkmark. Select the Edit button for data retention in years, uncheck Enable, and click the checkmark. Select the Edit button for data retention voltage, uncheck Enable, and click the checkmark. The names of fields provided in CIP can be changed from this panel as well. We'll change the name for the part type field for this example. Select the Edit button for part type. Change the display name to category. For each parameter, you can also customize the type of form to display in normal or edit mode, the default value, where the parameter is required, and more. Click the checkmark to save the settings and close the edit mode. Let's test our newly customized tables. Expand and select Search CIS Database in the CIP menu sidebar. A blank search opens. Select Manufacturer Part Number for the parametric field, Contains for the operator, and enter the part number for the parameter. Click Search to run the search. Select one of the listed parts to view its properties. The part type is now listed as category, indicating that the change was successful. Additionally, inapplicable properties such as data retention are no longer shown. Custom fields can be added to CIP views to communicate part cost, availability, company preference, and more. To do this, select Admin, Configuration, Customizable Fields from the sidebar menu. Select ICs from the Views dropdown. Scroll to the User fields toward the bottom of the table. Select the Edit button for User Field 1. Check the option for Enable to enable the field. Enter the desired display name. We will use mounting type for this example. Enter the default parameter value. Check the option to Transfer to Design to transfer the property when the part is placed in the design. Select the checkmark to save the field and exit edit mode. To preview the new field, select Search CIS Database from the CIP sidebar menu. Under Search Parameters, set the parametric field to Manufacturer Part Number, the operator to Contains, and the parameter to the part number. Select Search and choose a matching component. Scroll to the bottom of the detail table. A blank cell labeled Mounting Type is now shown. This field can be populated manually or by defining it when importing a CSV file. By default, view tables in the CIP database have a fairly consistent arrangement. For certain types of parts, this may require scrolling to view the most relevant data. Table fields can be rearranged to prioritize the relevant properties for each view. To do this, select Admin, Configuration, Reorder View fields from the CIP sidebar menu. Select ICs from the Views dropdown. Click and drag a field in the Component Details table to change how it will be displayed in the component view. The selected cell is attached to your cursor. When finished, click the checkmark by the Views dropdown to save the changes. Lastly, let's create a new view to further sort our component library. New views can be created through the Component Views window in Table. To open this table, select Admin, Configuration, Component Views from the menu. The Component Views table opens. Here you can enable, disable, and configure additional views for each view set in CIP. Select Edit for CIP capacitors to edit the view. A wider cell opens in the View Names column. Enter the desired name for the new view, in this case, Polarized Capacitors. Click the plus sign to add the view. Click the checkmark to save the changes. A view labeled Polarized Capacitors is added to the list. To preview the view, expand the Components list in the CIP menu sidebar. The new list is shown as its own component type. To remove the view, select the Edit button again. Select Delete View for Polarized Capacitors. A prompt appears with a drop-down asking where to reassign parts from the view. Select Capacitors and click OK. The view is shown with a strike-through. Click the checkmark to fully remove the view. Quickly and easily configure tables to improve visibility and clarity of database information and streamline part selection and management with CIP. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eva.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.